To make a video of Crystal Place.
I just took a picture of it. Yeah, and that's that part he was talking about. Oh look, it's underneath there now, you have to get it.
I don't think you really need the silver thing.
You don't need that, that's only just there for show.
This should pop out.
No, you have to get the fucking screwdriver.
To where?
The fucking screws.
What screws?
As you heard the young fella say, here, here, and here. But no, you have to take out that thing, don't you? Yep. See, that was the thing exactly he took out. And he goes, the magnetic thing. There we go. Oh no, shit, you have to take it out, so you have to turn the whole thing inside out.
Where's the laser? That's what I want to know.
The laser's on the other side. Inside. Remember when he flipped it over?
Yeah.
You gotta rip out the whole case.
Yeah, where will it be here? I can't see any laser. The game's spinning right here.
Yeah, it's the fucking box underneath this shit. That, you know when he opened up the whole shell, like.
Why do you have to make tiny screws? It's retarded. What's that connector? Not a whole pile. Try this little screw in here. Right. Just put this back together. Where's the... Maybe if you just put in, you know, one of them disc cleaning CDs. Not to this, obviously. Put all these back inside.
No, I'll never know.
Put this back here. I'm not going to connect anything. Don't want to cause a fire.
And this is not how to fix a PlayStation.
No. It's ready for that.
That's a nice installment of a video.
Should we make a whole video? Plug it in.
Yeah.
Hope it doesn't explode.
Yeah, there's a blue light on it.
You can hear the fan working.
Oh. You wouldn't even notice nothing happened.
Let's see. Is my profile still the same? There's a message and everything. Times are good. Videos. Ah, signed in. Everything's working perfect again.
See, simple as DIY.
That's a good PlayStation.
Put on eBay now for sale.
We'll check if it takes the disc. Okay. There's my disc. Guess we broke the disc drive. Besides that, it's fine. Yeah. We just have to live with our disc drive.
Who needs to play games on a console?
Yeah, fuck that, I can download it.
Still said on eBay, right?
How to fix a PlayStation.
And that's part 2 of the video. Part 3, we don't know what's going to Oh, you fucking mode. Part 3, we don't know what we're going to do with it. Start to play a movie. We noticed this started to happen. Starting to overheat. But it's very simple. How to solve this problem? Just do this. And then you can watch movies, no problem. That's how the PlayStation works. Built to last.